Alright, now it's working. Excellent. Glad we're not playing on Wi-Fi, because then connection issues would be through the roof. Luckily Shadow's awesome. Okay, he doesn't bring Hatterene. Big thing to note. Big thing to note. There's no Trick Room option. Okay, very interesting. I think my... Alright, things to note. What the heck do I have that doesn't outspeed Galvantula because I didn't think he would bring it? It's Thundurus. Thundurus doesn't outspeed Galvantula because I didn't think he would bring it. Let me put his team into the team builder. I don't know if you guys know who Aquarius is, but it's a Draft League YouTube channel, and I learned from watching that I should put the other person's team into the team builder. Yeah, Incineroar and Dragapult were 100% coming. There's never a question about that. And Zapdos too, actually. Zapdos goes ham in rain, and Sneasel is interesting. So I think I always lead Locapis Cotton Candy because they pretty much murk everything on his team that isn't holding a focus sash. If he leads double electrics, that'll be a little annoying. He'll probably automatically claim a KO. I'm okay with that. Because I think I can KO one of them, assuming I land my Muddy Waters. In the back, I think we need to bring Thor. And I'm going with my guy, Súbeme la radio. He does lead this. It's kind of what I figured. Okay. I don't even know what Galvantula does. Ecolytic set and my Polytoad. My custom set. Muddy Water isn't going to KO. Weather Ball is. If he's Sash, though, that's a problem. So I could just ignore it. I don't deal super well with it in the back, though. That's the only thing. I think the best decision is 2 Muddy Waters plus... How much does 2 Muddy Waters do to that thing? 2 Muddy Waters do to Zapdos. 2 Muddy Waters to Zapdos. It's doing a lot. Okay, that's all I needed to hear. I'm just gonna Scald, Galvantula, and Muddy Water. I do knock him down to a sash. Please land, please land, please land, please land, please land. We do. Nice. Alright, and he discharges, which is excellent. That could not have gone better. But he has discharge, which is notable. I have to remember that, actually. Let me put a sash on Galvantula, which I figured. And discharge on Zapdos, which means I cannot use Blastoise at all. Which is unfortunate. Alright. So, is Zapdos a threat? Eh. Should we hit it again? Maybe. He has 100% Hurricane here. Okay, what do I think? I think for the guys I have left, Dragapult's a significantly bigger threat. How much am I doing to a Dragapult? Dragapult. Picolytic set, say, and this is probably I want Ludicolo. I want my Ludicolo. That's a lot. I bet we KO it with that plus Muddy Water. But I also bet I KO Zapdos if I go for it. That's my play. We'll see what he does. If he just Dragon Darts, I think Lokash should live. Yeah, we do. Good. Here I say we go So based on the things he has left, nothing super wants a Thor. IMO. So he does have the Thunderous. I think we double protect to get out of a fake out scenario. Right? Right. Because I don't want to get fake outed. See if he has it. Add Dragon Darts to Dragapult. Big Brain. And Triple Axle. Very interesting. So I'm sure I one-shot Sneasel with a Life Orb, Scald in the Rain. Like, so sure. Yeah, okay. Sneasel. Great, I put everything on the wrong side now. Ludicolo, Scald. Oh, I don't. Interesting. Very interesting. I think that's still my play. Um, why don't I? Really? That's even with minus spit F nature. Interesting. Oh, that isn't with the rain though. The rain literally murked. Okay. We're Scalding Sneasel and we're Thunderwaving Dragapult. So he does protect it. I don't get the Thunderwave off. Sneasel gone. Yes. Good. Out. And I suppose we'll just Dark Pulse this time because oh, wait. Reveal that information? Yes, we should. Okay, that's even better. And we know we one-shot. Actually, was he Life Orb? Yeah, he was Life Orb. Accept. Okay. Accept. And this is Life Orb. We know it dies to an Ice Beam now after one Life Orb hit, which, what does that tell me about him? Let me put my Pokemon back on the left because that's much better. Picolytic set and the Ludicolo, my custom set. So I shouldn't be doing that much. If he's 0 HP, yeah, I should. Okay. So that tells me he's 252, 252, most likely, or like something similar, because I'm going to assume that for my purposes. I forgot to get the replay. Let me actually go back and do that. Here we go. Upload and share replay. Copy, close. Open that in a new tab just to save it. And then here, so if he leads the same thing, I think our best lead is always look up this cotton candy. And I think we always bring Thor in the back. Now, just judging by his team, I think Alvaro Slayer is a decent matchup, actually. I think Contra Corriente is literally never coming. And Súbeme la Radio can pretty much one-shot everything on his team, but it's not faster than literally anything except for Incineroar, which I don't think he's bringing. Unless he does now know that I am Prankster, if he was paying attention, which is debatable. I don't know if he noticed. But I can at least take one hit and KO everything else on the field. So I think that's the best option. He does go with exactly the same lead. I think we still Muddy Water here. Do we Muddy Water plus KO the Zapdos, though? That's the real question. So I think this time we do. Just to flip it up. So please land. Land, 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 land. Nice. That is unfortunate for me. Alright, so Lokai is just death fodder at this point. Cotton Candy might be worth saving. That's clearly the poor decision. Cotton candy is almost 100% worth saving. What's he going for? This is what I'm feeling right now. So I think that he is going to go for discharge again. I think he's going for dragon darts, which I think my Thundurus can take. Hopefully. I could just sack both these guys, but I think that puts me in a bad position. I think I would okay, he goes for fly, which is a little weird. Anyway, I assume he's flying into this slot, which actually might be a good thing. Let's go with this. So he's flying currently. Best I can do is protect plus ice beam into Zapdos. Hope he flied that slot. No, he didn't. Very interesting. Anyway. I think not quite sure, but I think Boom Burst should KO. I knew that. So he must be max speed. Anyway, that's different. Fly, that's interesting. Zapdos says discharge. Already have that down. And roost, interestingly. And a citrus, which means I can't do what I did last time. Citrus. Okay. That's just good information. I would say I'm just gonna boom burst. Alright, nice. We hit the boom burst. And then we can hyper voice. We might be able to pull this back yet. We'll see. And hurricane, I should write that down. Hurricane. Maybe he switches out the Zapdos. Would be ideal. Oh shoot. Alright, something's coming in and taking something. Alright, Sceptile. At half speed, he's still faster than me. That's interesting. Interesting. Well, now I can just spam Boom Burst, I guess, if he wants to get fully paralyzed and Sword Stance. That would be nice. So Dragapult is faster even. Oh, and he has Protect, which is interesting. Protect and Giga Drain. Alright. One more. Not confident in this at all, to be honest. I might want to bring. Would I have won the game with Volcarona? I doubt it. Let me actually go back and upload and share that replay. Copy, close. V, enter. Oh well, this one's for all the marbles. Sticking with the same lead as always. I think it's the best lead by far. I think I deal with everything if I play it right. Oh, nothing else on my team outspeeds. Alright, I think those three have to come. I really don't know if Sume Radios. I don't know if it's the answer anymore. I think I'm going with, yeah, bringing Alvaro Soler. It does the best, I think, against the bros he's got. I think we just Ice Beam, Ice Beam. I went through this in my head. I think this is the only. Wait. Let me do the math. Well, I know Ice Beam should theoretically. I know what it did last time. Actually, now that I'm thinking about this. Ice Beam did 70. Put him back up to. Ice Beam plus Ice Beam should knock him out. So that's the answer. Ice Beam plus Ice Beam. Yeah, there we go. One down, three to go, and the freeze. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna KO him. Yeah. Alright, I do outspeed an unboosted Sceptile, actually. I do know that. But if he has an item, what do we see? We saw just a straight up Giga Drain last time. We saw no item proc at all. Can never click on my right calc tab, can I? Ludicolo. My custom set. Ice Beam, that's not. I'm looking for a Sceptile. That's max HP. That's no HP. Could just double it again. Ah, got me there. Got me there. So he fakes out the force the KO. I can beat the last two. I think this is what I do. Okay, he does. Should be alright, yeah. Okay. Oh, I definitely go over Soler, who actually I think we're gonna need to click other moves to win this game. What does well, let's do the math. Bug Buzz times 1.5. That's gonna be more damage. I think we're going for Sceptile with that. So I don't outspeed a max speed Incineroar, which I don't really anticipate. Yeah, nice. Nice. And you're putting shots into no one. Nice. Let's Thunder Wave him, try to get some para hacks. Yeah. Ah, that's Big Brain. And we do get a confusion though. And he is Darkest Lariat. Very interesting to note. I think we should be alright if we just bring Polytoad back in and then click Rage Powder. Or not Rage Powder, and we'll click Weather Ball. And yeah. For this week though, thank you for the prep from James and Skylar. You know, both mock battled me. Thank you for watching. And guess we'll see you next week.